Morning, gents. Just an update on my Farmall this morning. I removed the tappet cover just to see if everything looks okay here. And I turn the engine and all the valves open and close as it should. The timing also look very well set now. What I've done is, I'll show you now. Open this cover here on the bottom side, and I've seen the pointer, and when it show here at the bottom at the point where I believe it is the top dead center mark, and exactly at that point the pointer on the rotor is just about to break here. So I think the timing is now fine. So, but before I try to start it, I just want to check if everything is well under the tappet cover, and it looks fine. And another thing that I want to do for safety is check the carburetor. I've removed it first, and it seems if it is a little bit full of fuel, might be overflowing. So I'm gonna check the float, if everything is still fine there since I rebuilt it, and then I'll try to start it. Oh, gentlemen, and the outcome is not too good. It starts raining here, not too much, but everything is open on the tractor, so I don't want water going into the engine or carburetor, or the electrics get wet. So I need to cover it and wait till tomorrow. Okay, but no start so far.